What's up guys, everything in one back here with another video. So last time we predicted that the Mi 10 series will be announced in an online event on 13th of Feb, and yes, it is happening. Xiaomi officially confirmed this information via post on Chinese social media. So we now have to wait only 2 days to check out the upcoming flagships from Xiaomi. So we already have seen a bunch of leaks surrounding the phone, and it's time to round up all the things that we know about the upcoming Mi 10 series. So starting off the design department, we have recently seen some official posters of the upcoming Mi 10 series that has been released by the company itself. Looking at the renders, we can conclude that both the Mi 10 and the Mi 10 Pro are expected to carry a similar design. So as you can see, the Mi 10 series will have a beautiful curved screen on the front with extremely trimmed top and bottom bezels. There's also a punch-hole camera that the phone will gonna have to house a front camera. And even some live leaked pictures of the phone are also in line with these renders, with a curved display consisting of a punch-hole camera. So the front design of the phone will be something like OnePlus 10 Pro with a hole camera on the top left corner of the display. Over the back, the device will have a glass back with a gradient look. You can also see a quad camera setup arranged vertically at the corner. Now moving to the display specs, this is where Xiaomi have done some great things. The Mi 10 series will have an AMOLED display with a super smooth 90Hz refresh rate. The screen sizes will be around 6.5 to 6.7 inch on both the phones. Obviously, the Mi 10 Pro will have a larger display. Now anyways, this is all about the design and the display department. Now let's move towards the performance department. So as confirmed earlier, the Mi 10 series will be one of the first phones to come with a Snapdragon 865 processor. But that's not the only thing here. The Mi 10 will be the first phone to use up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM, which is twice as fast as LPDDR4. The LPDDR5 RAM will also offer a transmission rate of up to 6.4GB per second as well as a faster data access speed. In addition, the Mi 10 series will have up to 256GB of UFS 3.0 storage, which will enable extremely fast data transfers. So the combination of LPDDR5 RAM with UFS 3.0 storage will obviously gonna spice things up. Xiaomi also posted a video on their official Chinese handle comparing the data speed of Mi 10 versus Mi 30 Pro. The company also shared a video in which they compared the data transfer speed of the Mi 10 with a PC, in which they also showed us the front design of the Mi 10 Pro. The Mi 10 series will also have Wi-Fi 6, which will support internet speed of up to 9.6 GB per second. And for gamers, the Mi 10 will also come with a pretty large vapor chamber cooling system to ensure the flagship doesn't overheat during long hours of usage. Anyways, that's all for the performance. Let's move towards the camera aspect. As revealed by the company today, the Mi 10 Pro will have a main 108MP Samsung sensor. The phone will also have a 16MP ultra-wide-angle lens, an 8MP telephoto lens and a 5MP Kind lens for taking cinematic shots. While the Mi 10 can use a 64MP IMX686 sensor as a main lens, with other sensors same as the Mi 10 Pro. Or this is also possible that both the Mi 10 and the Mi 10 Pro can use a main 108MP rear camera sensor. Let me know your opinions about the camera department in comments. So let's have a quick look at some official camera samples of Mi 10 posted by the company. So anyways, let's move towards some other specs. The Mi 10 is set to come with a 5000 mAh battery along with 30W fast charging, while the Mi 10 Pro can come with a 5250 mAh battery with 65W charging power. Both the phones will support fast wireless charging as well as reverse wireless charging. When it comes to the pricing, according to a leaked presentation pic, the Mi 10 can start from 4,200 Chinese yuan, which is around $600, and can go up to 4,900 Chinese yuan, which is around $700. It seems a bit expensive, but even the company's CEO has hinted that now Xiaomi is going towards a high-end market by getting rid of a budget price limit. So anyways, that's all for this video. Let me know your opinions about the upcoming Mi 10 series in comments. Hope you have liked the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.